Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: how to enhance your CV using ChatGPT insights. Whether you're a job seeker or looking to climb the career ladder, having a standout CV is crucial. And with ChatGPT, you can make your CV shine like never before. So, let's get started. Now, let's have ChatGPT help us enhance a CV in real time. Start by inputting the job description along with key responsibilities and qualifications, which is the one that you're applying for. Let's say marketing manager. Here we have the qualifications. For instance, key responsibilities, job description, about, and so much more detailed right here. So after that, you provide a brief overview of your professional background and skills. Here's an example. ChatGPT, I am applying for a marketing manager position at XYZ Corp. The job requires experience in digital marketing, content creation, and data analysis. Here's the experience that I have, like 5 years of experience, 2 years of digital marketing specialist, and yeah, here we go. So here's what I asked, can you help me tailor my CV to match this job description? So after entering your details, ChatGPT will then generate tailored bullet points for your CV. Well, it depends, so we'll see how ChatGPT would generate from there. So let's scroll down. Here we go. This is how ChatGPT would process, starting from the professional summary, then the experience right here. There's the marketing coordinator, so on and so forth, education, and yeah, here we go. So these bullet points are quite concise, impactful, and actually perfectly aligned with the job requirements. You can seamlessly integrate them into your CV, making sure it stands out from the crowd. Pretty impressive at how ChatGPT would structure them very neatly from there. Next, let's talk about optimizing your CV's layout and format. ChatGPT can offer valuable insights here as well. Let's use ChatGPT once again, right here, right now, to get some suggestions on structuring your CV to ensure it's clear and professional. For example, you can ask right here, ChatGPT, what is the best way to format my CV for a marketing manager position to make it look professional and easy to read? So let's see what ChatGPT suggests for us. As you can see right here, ChatGPT has been listing down how to put up together your own CV, clear headings, consistent formatting, bullet points, professional summary, so on and so forth. And yeah, so by following these guidelines, your CV will be much easier for recruiters to scan quickly. Clear headings help them find the information they need at a glance, while bullet points make your accomplishments stand out. So if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Finally, let's use ChatGPT to refine your professional summary. This section is crucial as it's often the first thing recruiters read. This one right here that I'm talking about, this professional summary right here. So you want it to be compelling and to the point right here. So here's what you should do. Input a brief description of your professional background and the job you're applying for. Then after that, here's what you can put together, your prompt, and here's how it ended up with. Here, this is the description, background description, then here's the prompt. Here's what I put together, ChatGPT, can you help me rewrite and enhance a professional summary for my CV? I'm applying for, and You already know. So, by providing these details, ChatGPT can and will generate a professional summary that highlights your strengths and aligns with your job you're targeting. Let's go. As you can see, this summary right here that ChatGPT is currently generating, here we go, ended up being concise, highlights your key qualifications, and aligns perfectly with the job description. It showcases your expertise and achievements in a way that immediately grabs the recruiter's attention. And there you have it. By leveraging ChatGPT insights, you can enhance your CV, making it stand out in a competitive job market. See you guys in the next video.